RGEN stock analysis and RGEN stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I am the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos made, so you know I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Repligen Corporation, it's an already bearish market. I'm not saying this in like in a bad way or just crap on RGEN. It's just the truth, man. Like I can tell you one thing, and that is the only thing that will make me be bullish on RGEN is going to be a full-on candle close above 169. If that does not happen, then I really, quite frankly, do not care what's next, right? So this is my supply zone. If I don't see any sort of double break or shift, there's just no way that I'm going to be willing to sell. And I know people like to complicate this, but I'm not going to be the people, you know, like this is a daily chart. So really my hopes are not much high for Repligen as of right now, but this could change. Of course, I'm going to keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.